front tire of mine.
Yeah.
In the thing, and he was like, "Oh, yours is chunky." That's the story of my life.
Not the first time I've tried to force something in where it doesn't fit.
I look like the creepy guy in the bushes. Alright, we got our bikes. Can I borrow someone's key card? Thank you, Antonio. Antonio, it's all good, Ling, I got it. Yep. We are going on a bike ride today. It is the beginning of November. We were technically at the beginning of the spring season, but it feels a lot like summer. Queenstown has a really nice long trail. I'm not too familiar with the trails here, but it does take you all the way up to Kelvin Heights as well. And the great thing about it is that in the hostel, everybody seems to have a bike. So those of us that didn't have bikes were able to just borrow the bikes from our mates here at the hostel, including this bad boy. This is Josh's bike, which he bought on Facebook Marketplace. Josh picked this up for like 220 bucks, and I'm gonna take it out for a spin today. So I'm gonna be using Antonio's bike today. Ling is a small Asian, so the giant bike has a bit of a smaller frame, so she's more comfortable on that.
So when you're going uphill, just sort of like slam that. When you're going downhill, bring it all the way up.
Okay.
This is the picnic that Ling has brought, a whole baguette.
It's a French baguette.
You look so
Listen
French.
to it, listen to it.
So the plan is actually not to go to Kelvin Heights. We are going to go over to Jack's Point, which is great because I've never visited that area before.
Well, no. Keep getting in the way.
Sorry. Can't forget the baguette.
No worries. Have a good day.
Can't forget the baguette. Bye guys.
Bye.
Let's go. Ling's trying to get her bearings. She doesn't remember the last time she's ridden a bike before. I think we'll be all right. I look so French right now. I'm on a bicycle with a big old baguette sticking out of my bag. Whoa, all right, just hit Queenstown Gardens, and this baguette keeps hitting the back of my head. How you doing back there, Ling? All good? All right, so we just hit the northern tip of the Queenstown Gardens. This is definitely one of the trails that we recommend you do if you only have a couple of hours in Queenstown, because if you want to do the FRANKTON trail that takes you out to Kelvin Heights, it shouldn't take you very long, like 2-3 hours. And then if you want to continue from Kelvin Heights and continue south to Jack's Point, I think it would be about 4 or 5 hours, something like that. Jay's got his Bunnings bucket hat. Whoa, there he goes! Wait. We're not the bucket hat gang without the bucket hats. Thank you, Rhinos, by the way. Rhino Ski Shack. We came second place and they hooked us up with these really sharp Canadian Club bucket hats. And thank you, Bunnings, for not sponsoring this video, but there's the free sponsorship name drop. Here we are at the start of the FRANKTON track. Hey, bucket hat gang, where's your bucket hat?
Hats off to him.
Shall we go? Jack's Point, 21.5 kilometers out. Coming up on your right.
Of course, skids are necessary.
Oh, it's really fun. I'm just worried about coming back.
Why?
I'll be tired.
I'll be tired.
Tired.
Someone left this behind in room 220. Thanks for the Gatorade bottle. I look like Marc-Andre Fleury.
Don't deep throat it by accident.
My hat! The baguette's holding my hat! Thank you, baguette. You're a lifesaver, baguette. Jay said for that we shall not eat the bread. Wow. This is like a blast to the past.
Yeah, I know. Go in the undies, right?
Yeah. Rope swing. Remember that vlog, guys? Do you remember the Holy Jesus vlog? This is where history was made, up in that tree over there. We all jumped in and he said the infamous line. Holy Jesus.
Just
ride home?
Oh no, we just detected a puncture in Antonio's bike, the bike I'm using.
I heard hissing. I thought it was just like
You
the
could
weather.
hear that? Yeah, no,
Yeah,
I had
yeah.
it here.
Yeah.
The warehouse might have puncture packets.
You have to pump it back up again as well.
Well, you could go jump in.
Yeah, it's cooking. Cooking stand.
Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna climb.
Oh, it's actually not there.
The swing's gone.
Yeah.
This is the money shot right here. That's the thumbnail. That's what's gonna get all the views.
Oh, it's been a long time since I jumped from this tree.
Very much outside of my comfort zone. Whenever I'm up here, I will jump off just so I don't have to feel this feeling.
Yeah. Give me a countdown from 5, not 3.
2, 1, 1. Snacky. Jay's cutting up some cheese.
You have to have some granola bars, I think.
Breaking bread. Someone wrote "living the dream" in COVID-19. Right next to Jay's drying swan dries. You could do it, mustache. The dog's losing his mind over there. This tire is so soft right now. So we'll try Torpedo 7.
all the way.
Just wheelie all the way back to Queenstown.
You are in New Zealand.
Just pick out any random Kiwi. You could wheelie. Can you wheel my bike back? With our luck, Torpedo 7, about 8 minutes away from here, we'll be able to repair this leaky tire.
Is my phone in here?
Yeah, I put it in one of the side pockets. Can you put this in there?
Oh, okay, because my phone can't hang out in the cell phone pocket.
No, so I was putting the GoPro
What
in
do you
there.
want?
Can you put it there so I could... Look at that. Oh yeah, that tire is so flat. Torpedo 7, hopefully you guys can fix this up. So flat. nothing there. Alright. 1 kilometer later, we've made it to Torpedo 7. I have a flat tire on my bike. Oh, sweet. Not good. Got a bit of a flat tire.
What size is it?
I'm not sure. It's my mate's bike. I just borrowed it for the day.
21 bucks. If
FPOS, yeah. Thank you very much. Cheers.
so much.
Good as new. Thing with New Zealand is you go into a warehouse to buy someone a birthday card, you walk out with a canoe. Success. 20 bucks, parts and labor. Not too bad, eh? I have no idea what they did. They just did something and
Put it in water, maybe. Or just took out back and slapped some tape on it.
I feel like getting a sports drink, something with sodium and potassium.
Apple, banana, oranges.
Lolly scramble.
And Sam's there with the cat. All right, after a near hour and a half, 2-hour detour, we are back on the road. About to cross that lovely bridge over there. Wow. So we were right there, went all the way around, 2-hour detour here, and now we're here. Fucking all right. Look at the view surrounding us. You got the remarks right behind us. Snow is melting off the tops of that mountain. Haven't been able to ski or snowboard up there for the past couple of weeks. Look at all these rich houses. If you got a spare 20 mil just lying around, well then, you found your neighborhood. This is like Tony Stark's summer batch. Which house do you like, love? There's Lane. Looks like she's walking. She's walking the rest of the way. I think it was the uphills, like she didn't have enough speed to make it up, so she like almost fell over. She said she's gonna take the water taxi back.
Oh my god, with this song playing.
There she goes. So we're biking down the trail and then a piece of black plastic pops off of Jay's bike. It's a very important piece that Jay needs in order to upshift. You have the piece? There it is. First, a pop tire, and now this. So Jay is stuck in one gear. We're gonna have
even his bike.
So Jay and Sam decided to continue onwards to Jack's Point. We did our loop around the Kelvin Peninsula. Jay is a warrior, even though his gear shifter thingy broke off. He's been going at one gear, but still powered through. But I'm just so tired right now, so I decided I'm gonna head back to Queenstown. It was a great trail, really level between Queenstown and Frankton, and then it gets uphill and rocky and more fun. From what I hear from Kelvin Heights onwards to Jack's Point, it just steps up even more. The terrain gets a lot more interesting. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.